Hello everyone, today I will show you how to put a link in TikTok bio without having 1,000 followers. Before I start, I would appreciate a like and a subscription. Thank you. Well, the first step is to open TikTok. Now if we go to our profile and press Edit Profile, we will see that we can't put the link in our bio in case we don't have 1,000 followers. We can put other things like Instagram, YouTube, but not a link. Well, for that there is a solution. Click on the three little lines on the top right, Settings and Privacy, Account, switch to Business Account, Next, and here you select what you want and then press Next. This can be skipped here. Now we go back. And if we go back to edit our profile, we will see that we can now add a link here where it says website. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and a subscription. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks.